Needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the bulldozer. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all dents. Let's level them out. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. Keep going. Magnificent. Use a hammer to level out the dents. That's great! Weld the cracks. Move the tool along the cracks. Super duper! Magnificent! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You solved the problem! There's something wrong with the wires. Use a hammer to break the locks. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Magnificent. Plug the wire into the right place. Blue. Yellow. Yellow. Green. You fixed it! There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Keep going. Magnificent. Install the parts in the matching silhouette. That's it. All done. Now help to assemble Bulldozer. All done. Now we can upgrade the parts. I appreciate your help. Congratulations! I appreciate your help.